If you have issues with AirDrop not working properly on iPhone 17, here's what you need to do. So first of all, we're gonna go to Settings and then proceed to General. In here, you should be able to find AirDrop, so we can go over here. And the first thing that you can do is check this option at the top. If you have this option AirDrop enabled for contacts only, then of course only those that are saved in the contacts list will be able to AirDrop files for you. So you might want to switch to everyone for 10 minutes. So you still have 10 minutes to transfer data using the AirDrop. And in addition to that, you can make sure that the bringing devices together is enabled. It might not be necessarily required to use the AirDrop, but it can be quite convenient to use, so you can turn that option on or make sure that it is enabled over here in these settings. And another quite important thing is, of course, the access to the internet, because if you don't have Wi-Fi, then you can allow AirDrop to use cellular data or mobile data. Of course, as long as you want to. If you don't want AirDrop to use mobile or cellular data, then you can disable this option. But it is worth noting that, of course, if you don't have Wi-Fi, if you don't have access to Wi-Fi at a given moment, you might need to use cellular or mobile data. But essentially, I would say that this option at the top is the most important one. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.